A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has exactly 2 factors or divisors, itself and 1. The smallest prime number is 2. We don't use 1 because the factors of 1 could be disputed. Is 1 truly equal to just 1 times 1? Someone could argue it's also 1 times 1 times 1, or a multiple of 1's multiplied together, so we leave that off as a prime number. The next largest prime number that has only itself and 1 as a factor is 3, followed by 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and the list continues. As of January 2018, the largest known prime number has over 23 million digits in that number, and I'll save that for another video. If a number is not prime, and again only has itself and 1 as a factor, it is called a composite. And the definition listed here is a composite is a natural number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1. On this list, if I'm looking at natural numbers, 2, 3, the number that was omitted here is 4. It falls onto the composite number list because not only is 1 and 4 a factor, but also 2 goes in evenly without any remainder into the number 4. 6 would be another composite number. When we were listing the prime numbers here, we have 7 as a prime, but we omitted 8 and 9 as well as 10 because, again, these are numbers that not only have 1 and itself as factors, but in the case of 8, 4 and 2 go in evenly or are factors of 8. In the case of 9, we have 3 as an additional factor, and of course with 10 we have 2 and 5 as factors in addition to 1 and the number itself.